If you are earning 5 LPA right now or even 10 LPA and you think your next salary jump will come from one more course, one more certification, you are making a big mistake, because in today's market people with skills are still underpaid and people with strategy are getting 2x, 3x hikes. And if you don't understand this early, you might stay stuck at the same salary for years. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how I would go from 5 LPA to 30 LPA or 10 LPA to 50 LPA in the next 12 months. No motivation, no theory, just a practical market tested strategy. And yes, some of the things I'll say might sound uncomfortable, like giving a lot of interviews, getting multiple offers, doing offer shopping, but that's how the market actually works. Let's first break a myth. Most people think salary growth is linear, 5 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 15, 15 to 18, 18 to 20. That's a slow growth. That's average growth. But high performers grow like this, 5 to 12, 12 to 20, 20 to 30. Jump based growth. And these jumps don't come from certification, passive learning, watching tutorials. They come from skill, positioning, market strategy. Now, let's talk about the current market. Earlier, you could survive with SQL, Excel, dashboard. Not anymore. In 2026, AI awareness plus machine learning understanding is mandatory. I'm not saying become a data scientist, but you must know what is machine learning, where to use it, how it impacts business, basic model understanding, because interviewers still ask, can this be automated? Where can ML be applied here? If you can't answer, you are outdated. If I'm at 5 or 10 LPA, first thing I would do, brutally audit myself. Ask, can I solve business problems? Or just I write SQL queries? Can I explain my thinking clearly? Do I understand how companies make money? Reality. Most people say, I know SQL, I know Python, but in reality, they know syntax, not problem solving. What I fix? SQL on real world level, Excel on strong basics, thinking on business focused, build core skills that pay. Now I build my income generating skill stack, SQL deep, not surface level, window function, case statements, real scenario, query optimization. SQL is still the biggest filter, Excel highly underrated. I have seen people rejected for not knowing pivot tables, lookup, basic formulas. Don't ignore this. Statistics, basic but strong. Mean versus median, correlation versus causation, sampling. That builds your analytical thinking. AI plus ML awareness, a new layer. When to use ML, basic models, business application. This is what separates you in 2026. Build real projects. Now come the turning point. Projects, but not copied ones. Avoid Titanic, Iris dataset, everyone has them. Do this instead. Pick real business problems. Revenue drop, fraud detection, structure, problem, question, analysis, insight, business recommendation. Always say, I helped a business understand, not I used Python and pandas. Interviews is equal to your real preparation. Now, the most important part. Start giving interviews early, not after preparation is complete. Reality, you will never feel ready. What I would do, apply aggressively, give 20 to 30 interviews, track every mistake. Why? Because interview builds confidence. Interview exposes gap. Interviews are real practice. Offer shopping strategy. Now listen carefully. This might sound controversial, but it's reality. To go from 5 LPA to 30 LPA, you need 6 to 7 offers at least. Yes. Why? Because salary is a negotiation game. If you have 1 offer, low power. 3 offer, better. 6 offers, maximum leverage. This is called offer shopping. And no, it's not wrong. It's strategy. Company negotiate. You should too. Business thinking upgrade. Now, final upgrade. Think like a business analyst. Instead of I will write a SQL query, says which segment drop, any pricing change, customer behavior shift. This makes you stand out instantly. Let me be honest, this journey is not easy, but it's simple. Focus on what matters, ignore distraction, take massive action. Final truth, skill will get you interviews, strategy will get you offers, negotiation will get you salary. Stop preparing forever, start playing the market smartly. If you do this right, 5 LPA to 30 LPA is possible, 10 LPA to 50 LPA is realistic. Thanks for watching. If this made you think differently about your career, make sure you like the video and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And if you want more real and practical content like this, no fluff, no sugarcoating, do subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.